Factory layout and space planning has never been more important. Using Autodesk Navisworks and Factory Design, a full 2D or 3D point cloud model of the working environment can be easily created. It could be the shop floor, cafeteria, office, or any other working environment. Using Navisworks Clash detection, we can set our minimum distance to 2 meters and simulate that environment. This could be static analysis or animated. Changes can then be made on the results of the analysis. This is either in a 2D or 3D model, and in this example, the minimum distance cannot be achieved, so the solution would be to add a screen.